Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Kling AI. So simply open up Google and then search Kling AI and then open up this first website called klingai.com. Once you open up website, this is how it's going to look like. So to create an account, simply click on this sign up button and then click on this sign up for free option. And then here simply enter your email and then enter a strong password. Make sure it has upper and lower case letters. Now click on this next option and then you need to verify for security verification. So simply verify. Then this will send a verification code to your email. Simply open up your Gmail. After this, open up Kling AI email and then copy verification code and then paste it here. And then click on signing button and this will create your account, and then you can create AI images, AI video, or use their video editor. So that's how you can sign up for Kling AI. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.